Yo, what the fuck is up, YouTube? Me and Ben in the middle of nowhere yet again. The sun is beaming today. Got the D&B on as well. Come on, ooh boy. I'll see you on the road, brother. Right, let's go, people.
Good morning. This is our breakfast. We've got American breakfast and coffee.
Let's pack. Too many dates, mate. Oh, there's people jumping off. This is pretty awesome.
We've now ventured to this rock pool on the east coast of the island. Yeah, the water's pretty warm, but I don't know if it's warm for the wrong reasons. Time to show you how to do a real dive.
Oh, he started. Oh, and he's still drunk from last night. And he's still moving. Moving to the beach. Here we go, Ben. Make it a good one. Mum, you have to commit to it. Mums, you were not taking the piss. Go on, give us a proper one then. Oh, okay, right. He's actually committed to it that time. That was alright.
I fucking nearly headbutted the floor.
Yeah, you went pretty much vertical down. The thing is, now you've got to dive off that thing up there. Backflip attempt number 3.
Yeah, keep your legs together.
I always go over the side.
Pretty good, pretty solid. The only way we can be here is because the tide is now out. As you can quite clearly see how shallow all of this is behind me. Not a bad way to spend a Sunday afternoon.
Oh, Ben's burnt again. That's peak. Ease. Back at the bikes. Locked and loaded, hydrated. Have not got long until sunset. Gonna be quick, but speed is key, and we've got it. Haven't we, Ben?
I don't know about you.
That's shite.
I said, girl, why you keep calling? I said, girl, why you keep calling? Yeah. She said, I need a new whip. Yeah, cause I know that you're still ballin'. She just wanna go back to the future, so I brought that girl a DeLorean.
How cold do you think it is?
It's cold, right? It's colder than what we were in earlier.
This place is sick.
You don't actually realise how high up you are until you're like mid-air.
I eat it slow.
For the YouTube channel.
Easier. We gotta check out, bro.
I gotta go, gotta get ready. Tonight is my show. If you okay, you might open my show. Gotta be pointers right under my nose. These niggas max like.
Here comes George.
I met that girl right up at my show. Left her man in the crowd on the floor. Out of town, never saw her before.
Imagine getting to the point where you can do that.
We don't got that long. Listen, this not my city show. But I treat it like my city show. 20 more.
What are the odds that Ben's gonna absolutely stack this feet first? Oh no. But no, you just didn't commit to it. That's what it was. Oh mate, that will never not make me laugh. A dive. You've done it perfectly earlier. This is just higher up. No, God. I could stand here all day and watch Ben trying to do this. Oh, that's got to be a wrap for today, mate. I'll be honest. I've never seen Ben in this state before. Oh, God. We'll get it one day.
Minutes into I'm on. 20 more minutes into I'm on. 20 more minutes into I'm on. 20 more minutes into I'm on.
There's currently a guy in the tree who's literally scaled this entire palm tree. He just like done a backflip. That is huge. Oh my God. Look at the size of that. 3, 2, 1.
I give you a tip, 5 pesos for you. Okay.
Sick. Oh,
Perfect dive. Why can't I dive like that? That's a good two-story building. Second floor building is just fucking... Mate, this is their playground. Right, we're now heading off YouTube. What a spot, eh? What a spot. Now we're going to make our way through the jungle. Look at everyone.
we're on the island of Siargao in the Philippines. We're now about to try out a gym. Currently about, I ain't got a watch on. Currently about 8 at 9. Gym starts at 10. Gone to a local shop and we picked up a Cloud9 bar and a Bang Bang. We had coffee. Had that in the homestay we're in with the Filipino family. Free coffee, water.
Bikes, bitches. No, just kidding. There's none of that. Yep. Oh, you're supposed to bucket it. Oh, it can't go in.
America, baby. I know about your kind.
Me and Ben were just discussing our current state of strength, and we feel weaker.
Only George feels weaker.
If you had to put in your bio on Instagram, it should be camera capper, mate. I feel a little bit depleted. Normally I do sets of 8.
He's all talk.
I don't think I'll be able to lift much more than that.
Bruv.
Aside from the Lord, we've got to quit alcohol.
Got a pattern up.
Get sin out of our life.
Seriously got a pattern up.
Ben's had to move it up.
We are fucking like 6.
I'm joking. Yeah. Muscle. Trump will be proud, mate. Got a fucking tune in the background, bro. Bush.
If you think you're getting away, I will prove you wrong.
I just love all the cats in Asia. Especially this one's got a little collar.
You're showing your arsehole. Oh mate, that's jam.
Oh.
Better on the dance floor, but you better not steal the moves, DJ. Gonna turn this house around somehow.
Just a standard night in the Philippines. Oh, this guy's really weird. If you fall off, I will piss myself. Oh, wouldn't do that, mate. You put on a few pounds. It's... Oh, that was close. Brother, you're ruining the clips, mate. What's going on here? What we do, but we're the only ones in it. Look at that. Me and bro, stop saying that. Boss man took us up. We had no food today. Look at this. Getting cooked up a storm today. This is much needed.
Look at the color.
Look at that.
Only Vietnam and Siargao.
Yeah, only Siargao.
And I make it double for my brother.
Oh,
Look at this, I make it full.
that's what we need. We're grown boys.
Better on the dance floor.
Chips, salad, meat. Men getting more sus as it goes.
You better not steal the moves, DJ. Gonna burn this goddamn house right down.
This is what it looks like to eat alien food in the Philippines. Look at what's on our table.
Meringue.
That's a funny looking meringue to me. That's jank, bruv. What are you eating, bruv?